District Governor-elect Pawan ji, past district governors, PDGs coming from different places of this country, Khanna ji, Mehra साहब, दीपक शिकारपुर साहब नहीं है, सैम, फ्रेंड्स, सैम इंटरनेशनल असेंबली में भी मेरे ट्रेनर रहे हैं और इत्तेफाक ऐसा रहा है कि जो इंस्टीट्यूट मैड्रास में मैंने शरद भाई के साथ अटेंड किया उसमें भी हमारे ऑफिशियल ट्रेनर सैम रहे हैं। तो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मैं चाहूँगा कि एक बार स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन उनको दिया जाए। कितनी डिफिकल्टी के साथ में अतुल ने बताया कि वो आज यहाँ आपके बीच में। दिस इज एग्जैक्टली ए रोटरी स्पिरिट। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जो टॉपिक मुझे दिया गया कि मैं उसको एक्सप्लेन करूं, और आज ये विडंबना है कि 115 साल या 116 साल पुरानी रोटरी को पब्लिक इमेज जैसे टॉपिक पर हम लोगों को यहां बात करने की जरूरत पड़ रही है। और आप जैसी शख्सियत जहां पर हैं, जो इस रोटरी के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं, जो इस पूरे आंदोलन को चलाते हैं, शायद इन सब चीजों का जवाब मेरे और आपके और इस सोसाइटी के बीच में है। रोटरी एजुकेशन में काम करती है। हम लोगों को प्रॉब्लम्स में शेल्टर होम्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं। हम मेडिकल फील्ड में काम करते हैं, हम हेल्थ की फील्ड में काम करते हैं, हम वाटर में काम करते हैं, सैनिटेशन में काम करते हैं। लेकिन अफसोस इस बात का है कि जिस जगह पर रोटरी को समाज की दृष्टि से होना चाहिए, वो शायद हम लोग नहीं पा रहे। ये आम जन की जुबान पे होना चाहिए, वो शायद नहीं है। क्यों नहीं है ये? शायद या तो हम लोग रोटरी को समाज के बीच में रखने में हेजिटेट करते हैं, लेकिन हम काम तो समाज के बीच में ही करते हैं। तो ये एक तकलीफ की बात है। और बहुत सारे जवाब सैम आपके बीच में जवाब और सवाल दोनों रखेंगे। उन प्रॉब्लम्स के विषय में हम लोग बात करेंगे और पूरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट लीडरशिप यहां मौजूद है। 30 मिनट का वक्त मुकर्रर है उनके पास। बहुत सारी बातें आपसे करेंगे। मैंने उनको बहुत इंसिस्ट नहीं किया क्योंकि आप समझते हैं कि कल रात 2:30 बजे से वो चले हुए हैं हैदराबाद से, और अभी वो यहां पर आए हैं और ये बाहर जिद कर रहे थे कि नहीं, सेशन आज है तो आज ही होना चाहिए। तो दिस इज कॉल्ड ए रोटरी स्पिरिट। मेरा आपसे यह भी अनुरोध रहेगा कि जो वो कहें उसको अपने जीवन में जरूर उतारिएगा। मेंबरशिप और क्वालिटी मेंबरशिप या किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की मेंबरशिप अपने आप में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। और जहां पर हम, अतुल अभी कह रहे थे, कुछ शैलो वर्ड्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं इन द ओपन सोसाइटी, वहां रोटरी को हम पीछे हटा रहे होते हैं। बहुत सारे लोगों की निगाहें आपके पास हैं। मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत सारे जो क्लब्स हैं वो प्रोजेक्ट भी करते हैं तो कोई बैनर भी छोड़ के नहीं आते हैं उस वेसिनिटी में। मैं सही हूं अपनी जगह? तो आप कैसे ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि आम लोग आपकी बात करेंगे या आप आम लोगों की बात करेंगे और उसमें भागीदारी करेंगे? आप काम तो आम लोगों का ही करते हैं, लेकिन ये तकलीफ का विषय है। मैं ज्यादा वक्त नहीं लूंगा और दावत दे रहा हूं उनको, पीडीजी सैम प्रतिबंधला को, कि वो आए और आपसे मुखातिब हों, आपसे बात करें।
If friendship is your weakest point, then you are the strongest person in this world. That's what Abraham Lincoln has said. Fortunately for all of us, friendship is the weakest point. That's why we are all friends. That's why we are all Rotarians. That's why we are all here today. So friends, good evening and namaste. I can't speak to you in Hindi. I understand Hindi and, But actually, after seeing my introduction, thank you very much for that, Atul, for that introduction. I have realized that you don't need what I'm going to say. You already know that. You know how to enhance someone. The entire topic of today's is how to enhance Rotary's public image. But you guys have done an excellent job of all that. Thank you very much. And friends, as someone has said, people have said, I started at 5 o'clock is my flight from Hyderabad to Ahmedabad. My flight from Ahmedabad to Agra was at 8. It took off at 7:40. I actually gave a message to Nero saying that looks like I'm going to land 30 minutes early. But after about 20-25 minutes of flying, coolly captain said, we have developed a technical problem, we are going back. That's it. Then I went to Delhi and came back. Friends, it's so nice to be back in your historic city, Agra, after quite some time. And it's nice to be actually, interacting with the people, real people, seeing the real people, interacting with the real people. And for a change, we are all fully dressed. Usually nowadays we are dressed from here. That's it. So friends, I bring greetings from my town, from my home city, Hyderabad, from district Rotarians of my district 3150 and my district governor, Prabhakar. And today's, Bhaiya, can you put that PPT please? Today's topic is this one. And before that, you named it Netrutva. This session, you named it Netrutva, leadership, very, very appropriate. Orientation is the right word. So, dear incoming assistant governors and the district officers, please make use of the situation well and orient yourself to become an effective leader. Such that on June 30th, 2023, that is the last day of your assignment, if you put your hand on your heart and ask a question to yourself, did I do justice to the job that was entrusted to me by my district governor? The answer has to be a resounding, say it, as it's going to be, right? Then you are the happiest person. And please remember one thing, knowledge is power. When knowledge is power, communication is the key. Communication is the key. Please remember that. And thanks to all of you for having me here once again. I didn't go through all the protocol because it's already delayed and it was all absurd. And nice to see so many of my friends. Sharath, thanks for giving me a good member to my club. Sharath's son-in-law is my member of my club. And Ashok is my batchmate, so nice to see him. Yeah. So, friends, today's topic is Rotary's public image. Make Rotary a brand to serve. What is image? And what is public image? Image is, if you look in front of a mirror, what you see is your image. And I'm sure you like it. Like that. You look great. What you perceive of yourself is your image. But that's not what we are talking about. We are talking about the public image. What is public image? How you are perceived by others. What other people think about you is the public image. Today you are all saying, Sam is a great guy, you are good, that's all this. Because in front of me, right? Tomorrow I'm gone. Suppose for some reason you're talking about me, still you say Sam is a nice guy, that's my public image. Friends, that true and appears for individuals as well as organizations. It appears for everyone. And why do we need to enhance our public image. Why? Why do we need to enhance our public image? We were not talking about public image before. You know, the seniors sitting here, they know we were talking about only membership and the foundation. How to get new members, how to retain the members, you know, how to get contributions to the foundation, how to make our members participate in our Rotary Foundation programs. That's what we are talking because it's the most important for our Rotary organization. Then we have a problem. We have a problem with the membership. We got stuck at 1.2 for the past 17, 18 years. So around 2011, our leadership has thought something is wrong. Something has to be done. No one knows. Looks like we are doing everything right. Looks like we are doing everything right. No one says bad about Rotary. We have no negative perception from anyone. We do only good things. But the problem is, then the leadership thought, let us do something about it. They have selected the Siegel and Gale, a market research company, one of the most popular market research companies from New York. They asked them, you please do a study and tell us what's wrong with us, why we are not growing. You know, they have interviewed about 60,000 people around the world, Rotarians and non-Rotarians alike. They spoke to so many people and finally came up with a conclusion. They said, guys, you are not known. No one knows who you are. That's the problem. You see that? This was in 2011. When they gave the report, it was like this. 40% said, never heard of Rotary. 40% said, name only. When they are asked, what is Rotary? They said, yeah, I heard it. What is that? I don't know. It's of no use. Almost like 80% not knowing that. About 20% of them have some familiarity. Friends, only about 20% familiarity. No wonder we are not growing. No wonder we are not growing. And this is in 2011, and now it is better now. It is never heard of Rotary, 40% has come down. Has come down. Suppose you take no name only and some familiarity, 60%, that 60% has become about 70, 72% now. Like Rotary Public Image coordinators like Deepak Shikarpur. Deepak is here. You know, like them, they all work very hard and it's growing. So friends, what is that we have to do is, that's what's happening. They said, harder to reach our potential, full potential. The return on investment, you know, in the financial parlance we say ROI, return on investment. Return on investment is poor. Return on investment is poor. That's why we have to do something such that we get a better public relations. We have to do public relations. What is public relations? The core of public relations is the art of storytelling. We have to tell our story. Do we have a story to tell? Do we have a story? We have not just a story, we have stories to tell. And we have a story at every level, club level, district level, national level, international level. We have a story to tell. But we don't tell because we are shy. We are shy of talking about it. Friends, in our mythology, philosophy, we used to say what right hand is doing, left hand should not know. That is, such that you don't become arrogant or you don't brag about it. That's not the case now. You don't brag about it, but you have to talk about all the good things we are doing such that our work is more and more needed. If we help 10 beneficiaries, 20 beneficiaries are waiting there for our help. So we need to talk more and more we have to make people involved in this thing. So the core of public relations is the art of storytelling. We have to tell the story. That's what Jennifer Jones said. Your president. This year we have Indian president, next year we have another Indian president. Look at that. Now Jennifer Jones she's from Canada. Everyone is saying the first lady president. I think we are doing injustice by saying that. She is a phenomenal lady. Whether she is a lady or a gentleman, she would have become a president. Just like that, she would have become a president. Phenomenal lady. That's what she said. We are the greatest story never told. Quite simply, strengthening our brand is essential to Rotary's future. We have to strengthen our brand. To strengthen our brand, we have to talk about Rotary. We have to tell our story, beat your own drum. Nothing wrong with that, because you're not doing it for yourself. You are doing it for the good of the society. Beat your own drum. If necessary, go onto the rooftops and shout. But these things are not going to happen, right? So we have to tell our story like this. We have to be telling our story with a unified voice, in a compelling way, with a consistent message, and the story has to have a humanitarian touch. My God, so many things there. Huh? I know what you're thinking. What this guy Sam thinks, am I a, what is his name, Rajkumar Hirani or Sanjay Leela Bansali or Mani Ratnam, to tell a story like that? Friends, you need not have to be one. You can tell a story like that because you are telling your own story. You are telling a story that you are a part of it. You are telling a story that you have enjoyed most. Suppose you have a club program, a club service project where you have provided clean, safe drinking water to the villagers. Instead of those girls walking 6 to 7 kilometers every day to get a pail of water, now they are getting clean, safe drinking water at their doorsteps. You can see the happiness on their faces. Then that girl child is going back to the school. You feel so good about it. When you start telling your story, that will be very, very effective because you enjoyed it, that comes from your heart. So friends, you have to keep telling the stories, and sometimes stories are short, sometimes, elevator talk and all that, Sometimes the stories can be long, but you have to tell a story. You have to talk about Rotary. And then, if your brand is strong, it becomes easier for us, people to recognize. Then people will relate to our story. The moment they come to know, and what is a brand? If I say Britannia, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? What is the biscuits, right? If I say chocolates, what is the thing that comes to your mind? Cadbury, vice versa. Relation, that's a brand recall factor. They're all related. Their brand, their product is related with what they make. Their product. Similarly, Samsung is a brand. ITC, Wipro. These are all the brands. That's the brand recall factor. We have to enhance our brand. So friends, to enhance a brand, these are all in business, right? All these are in business. They have to do advertising, they have to do, they say doing business without advertisement is like winking a girl in the dark. Neither she knows, nor anyone knows what you are doing. Similarly, if you are doing a business without advertising the product, right, it's not going to do anything. So, but all these people are in the business. They have to sell their product, they have to make money, they have to show profits, they have to give dividends, they have to make their shareholders happy, right? Why we need to enhance our brand? Are we in business? Yes, friends, we are in business. Mankind is our business. End polio now is our business. We are in the business of making this world polio free. Doing good in the world is our business. We are in the business of helping people to lead a better life. We are in the business. Okay, we are in the business. Do we have clients? Who are our clients? You and me. You and me. The members of the organization are our clients. Our partners are our clients. Our donors are our clients. Our beneficiaries are our clients. We're all clients. We are all a part of the business because we are all doing it together. Whenever we do a project, we think when we say beneficiary, we think only those people who are receiving our goods. Really, we are the beneficiaries. Why we spend so much time in Rotary for so many years? We are enjoying it because we are the beneficiaries. We enjoy the real happiness of helping others, joy of giving. So we are the clients. And do we have a product? Do you have a product? What's our product? Fellowship, service, all our core values are our product. Integrity, diversity, leadership, all these are our products. And then guys, we are in business, we have clients, We have a product. Are we getting the profit? Wow, profit is not a bad word. For a service organization like ours, where our motto is service above self, is profit is not a bad word? It's not. It's not. Because the profit we are talking about is the satisfaction we get out of doing these things. The joy of giving. Just now I told you, we enjoy the real happiness of helping others. That is our profit. That's our profit. So friends, we have to build our brand. If we build the brand, then it becomes easy for us to relate our story to what we are talking about it. You need not have to explain from the beginning. The moment you say Rotary, the audience have to realize, yes, they're talking about an organization, international organization that is doing good in the world. People have to understand that. But branding will become a very, very important part of branding is the logo. The logo. See, you see them always like that, right? That's the logo. A logo and brand are different, but logo is a very important part of the brand. The visual identity of a brand is the logo. You know, an organization, any organization that has a strong visual identity will be recognized easily without saying a word. When you're talking about Coca-Cola, you don't need to talk much about it. When you see the dome of the McDonald's, wherever McDonald's is, whatever country, is exactly same dimension, same color, that's the logo. That's what we have to do that too. Do we have a logo? Do we have a logo? This was our Rotary wheel for long, long, long time. We all have such an affinity to this. We love this. We love this. You know, my daughter's one daughter in the US. She wherever she sees this, she takes a photograph and sends it to me to make me happy. You know. So this is what Siegel and Gale has said is, guys, your logo is good, but it's not effective. It's not effective because the words Rotary and International are written in a small letters inside the wheel. They are not visible. They are not visible. Look at these. See, the name is written very clearly. The name is written very, very clearly. You see, that should be like that. So Siegel and Gale has said, this is our new logo. Master brand signature. This is our official logo. Nowadays, I'm happy to say most of the Rotary clubs in our country are using the official logo. Using the official logo. This is our official logo. Do we still can use this, the ring, just the wheel? Yes, you can, like this, like this. We can still use it, but preferred is our official logo that is called the Master Brand Signature. Master Brand Signature. All our other logos are also changed. And these are the only colors. These are the only colors allowed. Let's not get into details of that. These are the only colors allowed. Whenever you are using a Rotary logo, please download it as it is. As it is. I have seen some people on the t-shirts putting big Rotary wheel and small letters they write Rotary. You are doing injustice to Rotary doing that. I have seen it officially happening in big functions where the directors are involved. Should not be. You know? This is the Rotary Foundation logo. Foundation logo, these are the colors allowed. For Rotaract and Interact also we have the separate logos. Rotaract and the Interact, the old logos are redundant. We cannot use them anymore. We cannot be used anymore. These are the new logos we have to use. And friends, every year we get a yearly theme from the Rotary International President. Like this year, Shekhar Mehta has given us out to change lives. If you are using it, this is the best way of doing it. That's called locking in. First put Rotary wheel. Whatever you do, first put Rotary wheel. Rotary wheel. Then next to that on the right side is, you know, either yearly theme or whatever you want to say. And I'm telling you so many things like what are the colors allowed, how to, you may be wondering, from where I get all these? Brand Center. We have a brand center, which is very easy. Just get into our website, go to My Rotary. You don't need to worry about all those things. When you are in My Rotary, just go to Google and ask that guy, Rotary's brand center, it will take you. It will take you to My Rotary, then ask you to, log in, then you get into the brand center. Friends, this is very, very, very important. Very, very, very important. And make use of the thing. Like you have beautiful these things, you see? This was done so nice. This was done so nice. You have a beautiful screen here. Everywhere Rotary is visible, right? And sometimes what happened is they don't have this kind of things, They have a big head table here. They put a flexi on the back. They put the picture of picture of everyone. Picture of everyone. President, secretary, the treasurer. We are a bit, photographs crazy. Let's not get into that. That time, the best way is for this. If you put it here like this, every photograph will have that. Nobody can miss that. Nobody can miss that. And look at that. These guys have done a smart thing. Whose district is that? Sharad Jain. Rotarian Sharad Jain. See that? Indirapuram Parivar. This is a smart way of doing that. You see that behind they cannot put this thing, so they made every photograph will have that. Every photograph will have that. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, Sharad Jain, yeah. This should go on official 2016-17. Okay. You see that? That is why I'm just going to show you the photographs to give you the good examples of how to do. There are so many bad examples also. Let's not talk about it. These are the things just to give you an idea. We'll go quick from here. Look at this. This is in my district. That year governor has said, I will send you, even for governor's visit, even for any function, I will, from the governor's office, I will send you the soft copy. All your materials should be like that. People said this guy is crazy and all that, but it's very effective. I'm telling you, uniformity is the key. Look at this. One thing is placards. Very colorful. Designed very nicely and carried by Rotaractors. These are all the effective points there. If you and me are carrying, nobody look at us. But the children are carrying it, people will look at that, and they have to be colorful like this. Placards are very effective and very inexpensive also. Can anybody miss that? Seeing this is a rally we did. Nobody can miss, going through the car or something. This is my club, Rotary Club of Jubilee Hills. On the left side, that is always there. Whatever is the function, instead of walkathon, something else will come there. Whatever we do, we carry this. And wearing the t-shirts, same t-shirts. Wherever possible, same t-shirts, uniformity and the colors are important. And polio now. Look at that, colorful. Uniformity, I keep saying that because that is the key. People will observe that. Look at this. They have done a beautiful projector to carry the dead bodies. See that rotary wheel, how big it is, nicely. On all sides it is like that. Branding is all like that. That's an effective branding. This is in Pioneer. Once I went there as a RPIC, I went there. They did an excellent job of converting the railway. They are not using it for anything, railway property. One of the Rotary clubs, Pioneer Rotary Club, took it over and made it into a parking lot, a beautiful parking lot, where they are sharing the, proceeds with the railways. When I went there, they put a small sign, and I said, no. After doing all this work, if it is not shown, this is not the right way, then they changed it and sent me this photograph. Look at that. I don't know how much relief material is inside, but you see the van, beautiful. You see? No, I'm just kidding. They have done an excellent job of doing that. Pratim is good. This is again my club, my district again. We have a blood donation, blood collection van. Look at this. I'm just giving you good examples of branding. There are so many bad examples also. Whenever you see that, please insist on that. But look at this. We are giving school desks. Almost all the districts are in the project of giving the school desks. We just put one sign somewhere on the wall in a school. But these guys have put that in every desk. Nobody can miss that. And this is a battery pack. This is a battery pack. Instead of putting, sponsored by so and so, so and so, so and so, and all that, they did a good job. That's how it should be. Friends, please remember, we have to project our organization, not you and me. It's not easy. It's not easy. If you are not projecting someone, he or she may not give money, but you take care of that also in some other way. Some other way. This is what it is. And this is what I want to show you, tell you about a wrapping paper. Where is that? Yours. No, it's okay. After seeing this, beautiful. I don't need to tell you what to do. That was first I have seen in Sri Lanka. It was done like that because we all of us use the wrapping paper. And the yours is much better color-wise and all that, This is how you can do the simple things, simple ideas. This is one Sam Shaukat from Bangladesh. This wrapping paper, he is using it like this. And friends, I told you about the story. Whenever we get a chance, we have to see that we can do a project, how to enhance our Rotary, how to take Rotary to the public. This month, actually next week, October 24th, is the World Polio Day. Worldwide, it is celebrated as World Polio Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Jonas Salk, the inventor of the vaccine. That's an excellent day to promote Rotary. We did once 1 year, we have illuminated the Falaknama Palace. End polio now, keep India polio free. So whenever you talk about, polio, you try to say that who are our partners. We made India polio free. Did we do it alone? No, we have partners. All the governments are our partners. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and WHO, UNICEF, CDC. If someone hears those names, yes, when a partnership with Rotary is good enough for Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, they do so much of due diligence before joining hands with anyone. Similarly, UNICEF and WHO, they're so big, they can't take a chance of joining hands with someone. That's how you have to make use of our partnerships. And this is a new campaign. I know some of you have heard about it, Rotary People of Action. This is very simple. The whole idea of advertising or enhancing Rotary's public image through photographs or this thing is, it has to be simple. Very few words. Action-oriented, impactful photograph. Not president is getting garlanded or you are shaking hands with the governor. That's what we do usually. Everyone wants to like that. But see, people of action, this is simply, it is what it is. This is in the brand center. The together it will be like that. The people of action will be like that. The end polio in between is called the action verb. You can have your own action verb, only the allowed action verbs you can use it. You can put your own photograph. It's very easy. Once you have to go to brand center and get it done. Everyone need not have to do that. Catch hold of a guy who is good at that in your district. That's what we do. That's what you do. See me? And I'm doing that. And in the bottom, when you are putting it as a advertisement or putting it as a billboard, you can write few lines, 3 or 4 lines maximum. Friends, people don't read. They don't have time to read. When they see the photograph, it has to etch in the mind, in the brain that, oh, this is the Rotary function. They're talking about end polio now. Inspire, connect, promote peace. And we always complain that we do so much of good work. We are not covered in the newspapers. We are not covered because we do so much of good work. If you do one bad thing, finish. Every newspaper will cover. Please don't do that. For coverage, don't do that. Because good news is expected to happen. It happens every day. So, but friends, if you give a proper press note, you know, saying that what it is, where it is, who are the beneficiaries, why, where, something like that, 5 Ws are there. If you do that properly, a small one, and you provide them with a photograph, high resolution photograph of action, impact photograph, people will cover it. I just put it here to show you the headline says Rotary Club raises 1 crore. If headline is something else, people don't read it. That's why, how you get the headline? How you give the press note. How effective your press note is. That's what happens it. Look at that. And I put this photograph because I'm telling you, action photograph with impact, That lady, see how happy she is? She's thinking that, yes, I'm going to make a change in this little girl's life. I'm going to do that. And she is concentrating on putting those dewdrops only in the child's mouth. Many times we see one of our Rotarians putting the drops like this and looking at the camera like this. Man, that's a negative, this thing, I'm telling you. What people think. These guys are doing only for photographs. This is very important. And social media, you know social media, how to use social media. Only thing we have to realize is how not to use. See the fourth one, post no evil. No matter what you say, they post everything. That's what's happening nowadays. That's what's happening nowadays, my friends. And we thought we are changing. We have to change with the changing world. From 2011, we started telling our stories, we started enhancing, we started building our brand. But tomorrow again, the Research Association says, what you're doing is not enough, guys, what you're doing is wrong, we have to change. Look at that. Always we have to change. Otherwise you become another Eastman Kodak or something, where you perish. No one knows who you are. So you have to keep changing. It's not the strongest of the species that survives, not the most intelligent that survives. It's the one that is most adaptable to change. We need to be adaptable, friends. And brand building is so important because we are talking about the brand strength. If your brand strength is more, the membership will be more. Membership is more, and the participation and giving will be more projects, sustainable projects, and the signature projects, and the impact will be more. It's a circle. One influences the other. Pack Rotary well, wrap it around with special ribbons to make it really attractive. Bang the drum, don't stop it. Thank you very much. Thank you.